Let us unbox this Insta360 Go Ultra Magnetic Quick Release Base. It's from a company called Hepail, or it's called Yangshi. Um, I bought this in Amazon. So this is an alternative for buying the Insta360 brand, um, which is more expensive. Um, so we'll see how this fare. So this has the screw here, the end screw, the 1/4, I guess 1/4 20, and it has the GoPro mount here. This is for Go Ultra. So let me take take the Go Ultra here that I have. So let's see if this works. Doesn't work, but you have to. Yeah, that's very tight. Very tight. It's very strong magnet. Taking it out will really need really a good force there. But yeah, this connect very easy. I was thinking of connecting this to a tripod, which actually I haven't used, just sitting there. So I thought I'd just use this one, see if this would work. So let's screw this in. That works. So that works. So I could just remove this easily and put it back in like that. And I could use this tripod that I have that I haven't used in for my camera. I think this was designed for the EV1. I forgot the name of that Sony, but since it hasn't been used in a while, I guess I don't know if I can use this. I can connect this, but I don't think so. This is designed for Sony, but the tripod itself would work for this purpose. That's the reason why I bought this quick connect, because I could also use this if I want to transfer this to a GoPro type of a tripod. So it works both ways, which is really good. And now I don't have to buy that more expensive one from Insta360. This is from Amazon, so it works for me. So I don't know about you, but if you have any questions, let me know. So it's actually very easy to remove and very easy to snap back in. So far so good. We'll see how it holds up. But at least I have a way of mounting this to a tripod, and a very nice tripod with that. I can actually also rotate this by pushing this button here. So I could rotate it like that. So pretty cool. I like this tripod, but I haven't get to use it. Now with the Insta360 Go Ultra in my arsenal, I could use this, and very easy. I might have to buy another quick release soon or later, but for now this is good, and I can remove this. While this is somewhere in a table, I can just remove this and put it on my magnetic necklace or wherever, magnet on a magnet surface. While this is on the tripod, put it back in. Very nice. I'm excited. At least I get to put this on a table while I'm not using this. I'm just gonna put it like that instead of it looks more, it's stabilized and safer without a tripod. Okay, and that's it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe or like the video to help my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.